I started a blog. Yes, that's right. I started a blog with Wix, and it was super easy using Wix. So on the blog, you'll find everything from DIY home projects to strategy videos. There are already 2 posts up on the blog all about the Q&A video that I made and walking you through the whole strategy of the Q&A and how I did all of that stuff and everything and anything and all of that stuff. And there's an about me section. You can learn about me and you can see the stuff that doesn't make it onto YouTube on the blog. And if you'd like to check it out, maxbalzer.com, or look at the link in the description below. And from now on, there'll be a little link there, maxbalzer.com. Check out my blog with cool stylization. And just like that, I had a really easy and super amazing website using Wix. So Wix is the all-in-one tool to create a website, and it's easier than ever to create a website. I think I joked a few weeks ago that I was thinking about making a website, and I was thinking like, oh, who still uses Dreamweaver? And that's a really good question, honestly, I think, because you don't need to use Dreamweaver anymore. Just go to wix.com and make a beautiful website instantly. Literally, I started this project maybe a week ago, and I already have a stunning website, and it has an About Me section. It was easy to type in and upload my fonts and everything like that. And it was just a super easy way to create your website. And so if you are interested in creating a website, go to wix.com to check it out. This video is not sponsored by Wix, and they don't have to pay me to say awesome things about them because they are awesome. And I'm also able to see all of my analytics right on my phone, just walking the dog around or whatever. I can see all of my analytics super easily right there. Just open the Wix app and you're good to go. You see all of your dashboard stats, and you can see any edits you need to make with your domain. It was super easy to connect a domain. Their prices are great too. That's also key. It's $7, I think, a month, which is like an incredible price to create a website, and it has all of the tools that you need. Right now, there's a sale going on, but by the time this video goes up, it might already be over. But there'll be more sales to come. They have great prices. It's a super easy way to create your website. And I've tried other website builders before, and none of them have stacked up to Wix. Again, not sponsored. Wix, if you want to pay me, I mean, pay me, but no, you're awesome, okay? Like, you're great. I have some exciting projects coming up in the next couple weeks. The month of August is going to be a really big month, hopefully. And so I have some exciting stuff going on then, and I guess I will see you then. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you over on the blog. Bye.